Hello everyone, welcome back with Onshape basic tutorial how to add text. In here I will create new document. We're waiting to go into drawing area. As example, I will draw simple 3D models. Click sketch, choose top plane, and I will draw rectangle in here. Click OK. Use extrude tools to convert this rectangle into 3D. If you want to add text in the top face of these 3D objects, first click sketch, select this top plane, click top view. Now to create text, use this text tool, and I will draw in here text. For the name, I will set into example, click OK. So to be automatically add text. Now we need to resize this text, select at this line, right click, and choose transform sketch entities. Click at this point to resize text. I will move into this point. If you're done, you can click outside to be automatically resized. And to move, click at this point. We can move into center point. Click OK. Now use extrude tools to convert this text into 3D. Click here, extrude. Select text objects. And you can set for extrusion or dips, like I will set into this point. Click OK to apply. So we already add text into these 3D models. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.